Okay, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to show you my super fast throw.
Again?
Yeah. Watch this one. I got a new one. That's my new one.
New what? New trick?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yay! Score!
And this is another booby machine. Finally sleeping, kinda. And this one's not. This one's ready to crush in a couple hours. I'm watching. What is that?
That's a super fast throw.
Super fast throw?
Yeah, the ball.
Wow.
That's my new super fast throw. Those are all my new faster throws.
Okay. I'm looking.
More.
Okay.
I got a lot more.
A lot more?
Superman push.
You left one. You did it pretty good. Yeah. Hey, Tutu, come here. Can you come here?
Why?
What do you say to Daddy today? What are you going to tell Daddy today?
Sorry, Daddy, you can come back. Sorry. I said that. Sorry.
That's mean.
I said sorry.
Well, but still.
Oh.
Okay, what happened today at school?
Daddy, at school, I hit my nose 2 times.
And?
Christopher hit me, and the next outside was, I hit it by myself, and it wasn't bleeding.
So you bleeded once when Christopher hit you?
Yeah.
It was an accident, right?
Yeah.
And the teacher told me you didn't cry.
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yeah. And I felt blood. And then I touched it and I saw something, and it was blood.
Blood all over you?
Yeah, and blood on my pants like this color.
Ah, what color is that?
Red.
Yes.
Red one.
So is the blood always red?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you seen other colored blood?
No.
No? So blood is always red, huh?
Yeah.
Does Kaika has a red blood?
Not in his nose. Only burgers.
Burger. Yeah?
Yeah.
What else are you going to tell Daddy?
Daddy, that's it. I'm going to show you my 7-6 blows.
Okay, whatever.
7-6 throws.
Okay, well, we'll do it later,
The way
okay?
you say super throw is like this. 6. 6 super throws.
Okay.
6 is super throw.
Okay, bye-bye.
I got one more. Wait.
Oh, wait. Okay, last one.